Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Pi wallet in Pi browser. Pi Network is a mobile-based cryptocurrency project designed to make digital currency accessible to everybody. Unlike traditional cryptocurrency that require powerful computer and high electricity cost, Pi Network allows users to mine Pi coin directly from their smartphone within just one tap per day. And to secure, store, send and receive Pi coins on mainnet, Pi Network provides a built-in wallet inside the Pi browser. And in this video I'll show you how to create a Pi wallet step by step. First, you need to open to your Pi browser if you already have not so. You can go to the App Store or the Play Store and download it from there as well. And once you get into this Pi browser dashboard here, we could find this wallet. Tap on the wallet. If you already have a wallet, you can select already created wallet, but if you want to generate a new wallet, select generate new wallet. Over here your wallet is successfully created. The app will generate a wallet passphrase, which is the most important part of your Pi wallet. Carefully write down the passphrase and store it in a safe offline place, or you can simply screenshot it and do not share it with anyone. And after confirming your passphrase, your Pi wallet will be successfully created. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, share, and if you have any confusion or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.